Some other developing news late today with the associate of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, Ghislaine Maxwell, asking a federal court to toss out her sex trafficking conviction from 2021. Maxwell says in her filing that substantial evidence has emerged, she says, showing she didn't get a fair trial. Remember, Maxwell was given that 20-year prison sentence for sex trafficking minors. And this, let's talk about what this is, right? Remember, she went all the way up to the Supreme Court to try to get her sentence overturned or to get an appeal. Didn't happen. This is kind of a last-ditch push now, right as the Justice Department is up against the deadline to publicly release the Epstein files that it has by this Friday. I want to bring in Ryan Riley, who's joining us now. Okay, let's start with Ghislaine Maxwell here. When she says there's substantial evidence that has emerged, what is she talking about?
Well, it's a pro se filing, so what that indicates.
What does that even mean?
What that indicates is now she has access to a law library, apparently, at her new facility, because this is something she wrote on her own. She's doing this on her own without a lawyer. So,
oh, interesting.
Yeah.
So she really did write this filing.
Exactly.
Yeah,
and I think that also speaks to the last-ditch effort that this really is, because normally you would sort of go through a lawyer here, and it's unclear if if they thought this was actually enough evidence, but she sort of wants to go for it. These sort of pro se filings are pretty common on the federal docket, and often they're just tossed very quickly because it isn't necessarily backed by the best or most reasoned arguments, because these are people aren't lawyers. That's not to say that some prisoners don't develop their own very great set of legal skills, but that's not normally how these cases are.
So how would you handicap her chances here then?
It's a stretch. I mean, they're saying that there's more information out there. I mean, it's certainly, I think she doesn't have a lot to lose. Certainly, it doesn't really hurt to throw it out there to make that argument. And it's not like this bans her from doing it down the line. But I think that if you see a pro se filing, you usually kind of say, is this one that's going to be necessarily successful? One
of the pieces of the many layers around the renewed attention on the Epstein case in the era of the Trump administration are those officials who are now serving in the Trump administration, who had previously fanned the flames of conspiracy theories around Jeffrey Epstein, who then got into the administration, said I'm thinking of Kash Patel, for example, said, okay, there's he did die by suicide, for example. There is nothing here to suggest whatever.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.